Let's see how you can actually build Instagram story mentions AI chatbot. So that means when someone actually post an Instagram story by tagging your account or mentioning your account in their stories, then we can actually trigger automations and send them specific messages as well. And when they respond to those messages, you can use AI to handle those messages as well. So that's the idea right here. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have already connected the Instagram account called as Demo Chatting Media. So if you're wondering how to connect your Instagram accounts, simply click on channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels, where you can simply click on connect over here and simply connect it. So here if I click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Instagram account. So you will need to simply log in with your Instagram account, make sure all these permissions are allowed, and simply connect it right here. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations powered by Instagram. And here in settings channels, here you see a connected Instagram account Demo Chatting Media right here, and here you have this option story mention reply, auto reply when someone with a public Instagram account tags you in their story. So when they tag you in their stories, then you can actually send them specific messages, and from there we can initiate conversations and reply to those messages using the power of AI as well. So here you have to simply create a flow and select it right here. So when someone actually mentioned you in their stories, then this particular automation or the flow get triggered and the messages will be sent as well. So let me go to the flow section and create a new flow, and let me say IG mentions demo. All right, so here let me create the flow and let me send a message right here. Click on text. So let me say thanks for the mention, do you have any questions? So let me say thanks for the mention, do you have any questions, just for the demo, just a simple message, and click publish. All right, so the flow name is IG mentions demo. So you have to go back to the specific settings over here, channels, choose Instagram, and simply choose the flow for the Instagram story mentions automation. All right, IG mentions demo, click save. So now when someone actually mentioned this specific brand in their stories, then this particular message is sent to them right there. Alright, so now if they reply to that specific message, if you want to use AI to handle those messages, you can actually create any sort of AI agents or AI chatbot for your own business. So in the AI hub, you can actually create your own AI agents over here. So let me use one existing AI agent created right here, Trend Heaven. So let me make this as a default agent. So when someone actually sends you a message, it will use the information we have right here to respond to them as well. Alright, so here it simply says about a specific brand over here, and it has all the information about that brand as well. And here it also can provide them with a specific discount as well. So if the total order is above 100, it will provide 20% discount coupon, otherwise it will provide 10% discount coupon as well. So this will, or everything will be handled by the power of AI as well. And here you have the option to choose specific models right here. So if you connected OpenAI, you can use any of these AI models. If you connected the Gemini, you can use any of these right here. So in this account we have connected all these separate AI models, so that's why it shows up right here. And if you're wondering how to connect the AI models over here, go to settings, integrations. Here you can connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform. Otherwise you can use Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, and DeepSeek as well. For example, if you are wondering how to connect the OpenAI, click on learn more. Again, you will see the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys from the OpenAI platform and simply connect it on our platform. That's it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations powered by the AI. So let me use this information or brand Trendy Heaven for this specific example or demo. So it's active as well. So now it will simply respond to the customer's question using the available information we have provided in this AI agent. And here you can even delay these responses if you want as well. Go to settings and general. Here you have the option to set that bot reply delay as well. So here you can set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. If the user sent another message, the timer reset and the messages are queued in a single response as well. Alright, and here you have the option to set specific time delays as you like as well if you want. If you choose none, the response will be sent immediately as well. Alright, so let's test how this actually works. So here this is the message sent to them when they actually mentioned your brand on the Instagram stories. So let's see how this actually works. So here actually I'm creating a story in my Instagram profile by tagging the specific Demo Chatting Media account, and let's see what happens over here. and share not now. So here I have just added the story right here. Let's see what happens over here. So here we receive the message. It says, thanks for the mention. Do you have any questions? So here I just posted the story mentioning the specific demo account over there, and it simply triggered this automation. I mentioned demo and send the specific message we have set up right here. So now if I ask any sort of question, it will simply respond to them as well. So let me send this and see how this actually works. So based on the information we have in the AI agent, free shipping for orders above 75. So here it says, yes, we do offer free shipping. All orders above 75 qualify for free shipping 3 to 5 business days. Below that, standard and express options are available at checkout. Simple as that. So it simply responds to the customers based on the information we have in this AI chatbot business information prompt as well. For example, if you ask any other questions, it will simply respond as well. For example, let me ask about the pricing, the dress price range. Can you provide the dresses price range? So let me ask about the price range for the dresses. It's 35 to maximum 120. So we should receive the response right here as well. So simple as that. Our dresses typically range from this to this. Simple as that. So as you can see here, even though they actually entered from the Instagram story mention, they simply post an Instagram story mentioning your brand. You simply send a message saying thanks for the mention, do you have any questions? And from there, when they reply to the message, we simply use AI to respond to those questions as well. You can even collect details from the customers, do lead generation, lead qualification, and promote any other products and sales as well. And that's a quick review on how you can easily use Instagram story mentions AI chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.